This is the Nothing Phone 3. But before it gets into your hands, it goes through nearly 50 steps, dozens of machines, and hundreds of hands. In this video, I'm going to show you how the Nothing Phone 3 goes from scratch to the final product you hold in your hand. From the tiniest screw to the glow of the glyph lights, here is the complete journey of how the Phone 3 is made. Every phone begins with a screen. Each display is inspected one by one for tiny defects. It only takes about 10 seconds per screen. 200 displays are checked per hour. Next, we apply something called a primer. It helps seal the phone so water doesn't get in. It's applied only along the edges. Too much, the phone fails later. Too little, and it leaks. Then it's pressure tested. The phone frame is placed in a sealed chamber to check for air leaks. It means it's ready for assembly. One red and it goes back. Now the assembly begins. We install thermal gel to help the phone stay cool, especially during heavy use. Then the main board, the brain of the phone, is fitted in. Every cable and screw has a perfect place. Even half a millimeter off and the device won't work. Now we move to vision and security. The front camera and fingerprint sensor are installed here. A single speck can block the fingerprint or ruin the camera. It is locked in with pressure jigs, zero room for error. We now install the black and white RF cables. These handle your network, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi signals. They're placed by hand into exact slots. Then the speaker is screwed into place, aligned for perfect sound output. The rear cameras, wide, periscope, and ultra-wide are locked in. Before we add the battery, we place the phone padding to prevent pressure damage. Then, a machine installs the battery while scanning for particles or misalignment. 128 sensors work at once, checking voltage, spacing, and placement. The flash module is then positioned. Then comes the upper bracket installation. Screwing and air tightness verification using vacuum pressure systems. From here, the device undergoes a cosmetic visual inspection to look for scratches, dents, or internal dust on the transparent pack. Now the whole phone is tested. Cameras, touch, audio, SIM sensors, flash, NFC, everything. This is called the CIT, Customer Integration Testing. If one function doesn't pass, the phone doesn't ship. Then comes aging. Every Phone 3 runs all its systems at once for 8 hours non-stop. It is hot, it is intense, and it shows us which phones can handle real life. Now we install the final software, the market build, and only after that is the phone packed. One last check, one final scan, and then it is sealed. From hundreds of checks, microscopic inspections, precision machinery, and human craftsmanship, this is what it takes to build the Nothing Phone 3.